To use the Giphy API, you'll start by making a GET request to the base URL and then adding certain request parameters. Some request parameters are required, like your API key and the query you're searching for, and some parameters are optional, like the limit of how many you want to fetch. I like to console.log the data to see what I'm working with. I start with logging the response, the data, then drilling down into the data to get a specific item, set the state, and render that item. Or I'll drill down to the array of items and then set the state to that array, and then loop through those and render all of those items. Full video on my channel, so go check it out.